So today we're going to be testing ceramic acrylic black polish. It's supposed to try to fill in a lot of the swirls on the surface of your paint and make it look like it doesn't have any scratches. Okay, looks like we have full coverage. Clean, plushy microfiber. Okay, let's take a look. So it definitely looks a bit better, but in direct light you can still see the swirls. From a distance it's not as noticeable, but it didn't fix the problem. So now we're going to bump this up to a 1-step correction, and we're going to see if we can refine and really rejuvenate the clear by breaking up the swirls. So we're going to take a quick look and see where we're at. So definitely improved. I would not say that it's a blemish-free finish. This is going to be about a 70% correction. There are some deeper scratches that need to be addressed. So we're going to kick this up to a 2-step correction with a more abrasive microfiber pad and see if we can help refine some of these deeper scratches that are in the surface. We're now going to switch to a soft foam pad. We're going to put some of our automotive polish, which does not wash off. It does not contain any fillers in it, and it's going to remove and refine any of the micro marring that was caused from our initial application. So we just got done doing the final step of the 2-step correction, which is going to be the foam pad and polish. So we're going to go ahead and buff this off. And here's a side-by-side of the left panel, which has not had any work done to it. And here is the right side that had the 2-step correction performed on it. So significantly better. I would say that this is about an 85 to 90% correction. We do have a 3-step correction where we can wet sand the scratches to refine it even more. It just depends on the expectation of the customer and of the customer's budget. And just for good measure, we're gonna go ahead and zero out our paint depth gauge. So let's take a look at the area that hasn't had any work done on it. So there you have it. This gives you a good general idea of the differences in paint correction. So obviously this needed a more aggressive approach, especially because of the soft clear that it has. If you have any questions about getting professional paint correction on your vehicle or paint protection, give us a call at 210-701-0184. Be reached at freshstarDetailers.com or customerservice@freshstarDetailers.com.